Hello friends, how are you today? But not that I'm going to be selling anything before Father's Day because it's Thursday. It is here in Australia. Wednesday night there. I'm getting myself all confused. But I thought this would still be a great Father's Day, a dad or guy gift idea for Christmas. So you could start making Christmas gifts. And I'm starting with, I've got this little signboard here. I had stenciled on this side, painted over it. If you don't like the stencil sign you made, just paint over it. And I'm going to use this side as the frame. So it's one of those wooden canvases, and I love using this side sometimes, and then you can frame it out. So I've framed it out. It was this colour, just pine wood. And I used the colour WoodWick from Fusion Mineral Paints range. I'd rather be golfing. So this set, I'll show you this now, and then we'll get on with painting the inside of this. And this little block I'm going to use for something else later. So we've got Keep Calm and Swing On. I think I'll be using, out of this set, I'd rather be golfing. So I'm going to try and sit that right in the middle. It's probably 8 inches. Okay, so let's have a look. I've got my Fusion's Coal Black here. Yeah, so I offload as much as I can over here. And then if I need any more, I'll just go grab it there from this little blob that I've got right here. And I've got that right in the center. You can see that okay. And we'll start with just nice swirling. Because I've got hardly anything on the brush, you can see that there. It looks fairly dry. And we just start. We can swirl without getting it all underneath the stencil because we've got hardly anything on the brush. So if you start to swirl, I think it's looking great. It'll be a nice contrast against the white. So here we go. Boop. Let's see. There we go. And then we've got a gorgeous, isn't that pretty? So see how the golf ball does look still white. It's a shadow that's created with the stencil. So it's really clever the way Essential Stencil designers get these things done. Okay, so I can wash that now. Just usually wash it. If you can wash this immediately, that's the best idea. And you know what I do? I run it under the water with my stencil brush that I'm also washing at the same time, down and just scrubbing it with the stencil brush. And that way you're cleaning your brush and your stencil at the same time. Okay, so the next little block I wanted to use, I want to do something fun on this. And we've got our fresh baked fall pies. Okay, this is actually just a sample block that I've got, that I had in my workshop that I've stained. I was practicing some different stains on it. So I'll probably even it up, make it all look cute. Okay, so we've got fresh baked pies, and then I thought we'd add pie down here. Let's see if that will fit. Okay, just got my paint on the brush now, and we'll start with, felt like I had a little bit too much on the brush there, but we'll see. I think it will be okay. And we've got fresh baked pie. All right, so here's our little pie. And here's our little latte. I think that'll look cute there. We'll see how it goes. Coming to you live every weeknight here. Isn't this cute? We'll do this first. And there we have our pie. Cute. And now we can put our little pumpkin latte, spice latte there. I think that should go nicely. That'll be fine. Oh, you can feel it shifting. We've got pumpkin spice, little spice bits flicking out to the side, so I'm trying to make sure that those stay on as well. There we go, finished. And then we have a lovely, cute little fresh baked pie, so we can sit that on the shelf like so. Yes, the first one is from I'd Rather Be Golfing, from the set that is called I'd Rather Be Golfing, and there's 3 different designs in there, 3 different stencils in that set, and Keep Calm and Swing On. So they're a great idea for gift for dads or grandpas or a golfing buddy, whoever you know that loves golfing. And don't forget all the fall transfers that are in that bundle. So many fun ones that you can use, and I hope to see you using them, something fun like this. So let us know if you're in the Stencil of the Month Club. I'll be posting these later as photos, or I always upload on my YouTube channel. I'll see you again next week for another fun DIY project. See you then. Bye.